We've already explored the incredible blood sugar hack power of Kaong vinegar. Now, let's pull back the curtain and show you why this isn't just a health trend, but a rare, sustainable, and soulful product that supports both you and the communities who keep its ancient traditions alive.
Hello, my name is Dr. Hans Bustamante and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hans MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Now, here's the cool part. Kaong vinegar is rare and considered a heritage product. It's made in small batches by communities in the Philippines. No shortcuts. Kaong vinegar is more than a condiment. It's a living tradition. In places like Quezon and Cavite, it's tied to family legacies and local identity. Unlike mass-produced vinegars, Kaong vinegar is slowly fermented. It's made with minimal waste, harvested by skilled tappers who practice their crafts for generations. The tapping process is done by hand. This method is not only time-consuming, but also seasonally limited. The sap is wild fermented in clay jars or in bamboo tubes. It's a vinegar with soul. And because kaong palms grow in biodiverse forests, their harvest is low impact and sustainable, supporting both the land and the local livelihood.
So, when you use Kaong vinegar, you're not just helping your health, you're supporting viable farming practices and cultural heritage.
So we're here. We're actually looking at a kaong plant. Oh, so they remove the stem and then in that area, the flower, and then they put in a spout and the fluid directly goes into that container. They're gonna slice it like that and try to kind of extract more sap. Yeah. And now he's gonna put in a
Fresh jug.
fresh jug for container to catch the sap. This one is a little lower. And you see the bees all over it because it's sweet. It's a lot. Has sugar content. This has been Dr. Hans MD for Dr. Hans MD YouTube channel. We'll see you again next time.